welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. This week I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts. I've got 3 shortcuts that we thought were the top ones, and you may find that you will use one or all 3 of them on a daily basis. Plus I've got 1 bonus shortcut. Keyboard shortcuts are intended to make it a little bit simpler and quicker for us to do some of the common things that we do on our laptops. So when a keyboard shortcut is written out, it is written out to show the keys that you press, and in between the keys will be a plus sign, and this means that you hit each of the keys, press them down, and hold them at the same time. And the example I've got here is Control plus A. So you're going to press the Control key and the A key at the same time, press and hold, and it will select all the items in, say, a Google document or on a Microsoft Word document. And then that way you can copy and paste to something else. So let's see what these 3 shortcuts are. The first one is one that will lock your laptop. So you've got to step away from your laptop for a few minutes. You want to secure it. So you can hit the Windows key and the L, and it will lock your laptop. It brings you back to your login screen. And the only way that anybody can get into your laptop is if they log in as themselves or they know your password. So when you return to your laptop, you just enter your password and it opens back up. The next shortcut is one that all of us can probably relate to. We have got our browser window open and we closed a tab. And then we're like, I've got to have that back. So if you use the Control, Shift, and the letter T, press those down, it will retrieve the last tab that you closed. So let's see how that works. And I have closed this tab, and then I'm like, oh no, I need it back. If you hit Control, Shift, and T, it will bring it back. And the nice thing about this is, let's say I close 3 of them. If I hit Control, Shift, and T, it just keeps bringing back each tab that I had closed by accident. So to bring back those tabs, it's Control and the Shift key and the letter T. Next one. This one is if you just need to take a quick screenshot of something on your laptop, you're going to hold down the Windows key, the Shift key, and the letter S. And when you do this, it allows you to take a screenshot. So let's see how that works. So I want to take a screenshot of my ClassLink page. So I'm going to do Windows, Shift, S. Gives me a crosshair. So I take my crosshair and place it to where I want to begin taking my snapshot. And release. And it gives me this little pop-up. I'm going to click this. And then it gives me my whole tool. It opens it up, and then I can save it to a folder, or I can copy it and then place it in an email or put it in a Google Doc for my lesson. Shortcut is the Windows key plus the Shift key plus the S. Press and hold, and then it'll give you your crosshairs so that you can take your screenshot. Our bonus keyboard shortcut is one that has some fun elements to it, but it also has some special characters. And this one is using the Windows key and the period. So the bonus keyboard shortcut is a set of special characters and emojis. So I'm in a Word document and I need to get a special character. I can't find it on the keyboard here. So I'm going to do Windows and the period. And you can see that you have all of them, everything they've got, all the categories are here. If I just want emojis, if I just want some GIFs, if I want the cute little emojis that you use from your keyboard, or I want symbols. So I want some symbols. And recently someone needed this, so I find it and I just click it and it inserts it. Well, let's say that I wanted to type in here 350 degrees, then I'm going to do my keyboard shortcut, and I'm going to do degrees, and see it puts it in there for me. And there are a lot of different characters here. It's worth exploring. This works very well with Microsoft products, like Word documents, PowerPoint, and also in email. So that was our 4 keyboard shortcuts. The first one was to lock your laptop. The next one was to open up any of those closed browser tabs that you may have closed by accident. The third one was for you to take a quick screenshot of your laptop screen, and that's Windows plus Shift plus S. And then the last one was the window key plus the period, and this gives you a little pop-up window of emojis and special characters. I hope you find one that works for you, something that you can use to make things a little quicker. If you've got any questions about keyboard shortcuts and how to use them, please reach out to our team. We would be happy to help you.